Today, I'm gonna show you what I do to get my lawn all greened up right before Memorial Day. It's a couple of steps, but let's get right to it. You see these products here. So first thing I'm gonna do is gonna put down some heavy stuff. So this will be my Milo, right? 2 weeks before Memorial Day. Some carbon, right? I'll tell you about that. This carbon G right here keeps that soil nice and soft. So I got my measuring. Oh, need my sprayer. See that? It's got 6% nitrogen in it. But I'm looking for this micronutrient blend and a little bit of iron. It's a pretty good product. This is a fish fertilizer. It's got 3% nitrogen. Over there, the Simple Lawn Solution had 6%, so that gives me 9% nitrogen. Okay, 3% phosphorus is not so bad. But this thing right here is what I put on my lawn. You know, you can put it on flowers and whatever, but I think the key to it is it's an organic. The grass seems to love this organic. So I got the Milo that's an organic, and I got the fish fertilizer that's an organic. I'm gonna put down those heavy ones now, and then after I put down the heavies, I'll cut. No bag. This will fall down in there. No problems with spreading or whatever. After the cut, then I'll go on with the liquids. We're supposed to get a rain today after 1 o'clock. So that means that the liquids will sit for about 3 or 4 hours, and then we'll get a nice rain. If you know me and if you follow me, you know that I love doing everything before rain. If I can get things in the same day as a rain, 2 days before rain, that's my favorite time to put my product. Always gotta shake well. These 2 containers are my organic containers. I have 2 different containers for my synthetics and some of my herbicides. This is 4 ounces per gallon. That's a 2-gallon sprayer. So we'll do 8 ounces in here. I actually got this from a big box store. I use any type of fish fertilizer. I don't have any specific brand that I'm partial to, long as the ingredients are mixed right on here. I like to have 3% nitrogen or lower. This, you use a lot more of. It wants 8 ounces per 1,000. And in the front, I have 3,000. These play well together too, folks. Okay, folks, that's ready. Got a lot of work to do. Start off with the Carbon Pro granular. Put it down at a heavy rate because we got a nice rain coming in. Soaks that boy in. Let's get it.